Hello and welcome back to the channel. Unless you are new over here, then welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna talking about how making mistake can help us to learn English language. Yes, definitely, you heard me right. I said that how making mistake can help us to learn English language more faster than normal situation. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. As you learning English, that means English is not your native language. You already speaking in a language. You just take the initiative to learning the English language. So here is the things. During the learning process, making mistake over anything is pretty simple because you don't know how to speak in English. This is the reason why you made mistake. And making mistake is a good thing as a language learner. If you made thousands of mistakes a day, it will help you to learn which one is correct. Let me give you an example for inspire you. When I was learning the English language, then I got a teacher throughout an application I used for improving my English. And the name of this teacher was Tiago, and Tiago was from Portugal. He's not a native English speaker, but he speaks really good English now, and he became a teacher, English teacher. So one day I asked Tiago, the teacher, I want to know something really important. That is, actually, when I'm gonna talking with somebody, I made a lot of mistake, and they're laughing at me, and that's why I feel ashamed and I feel shy, and I lost my interest to continue conversation with them, and I feel like I have to quit because I made a lot of mistake. Although I'm trying not to making mistake. So what should I do right now? And then the explanation he gave me, it was really inspirational. And the answer that I got from Tiago, I never expected this answer. The answer was, you have to make 100 mistakes a day. If you are able to make 100 mistakes a day, you will be able to learn English more faster than your normal time. And I got laughed and I continued to laughing. When you made mistake in your speech and the same things come to you tomorrow, then you will not make this mistake again. That means you learn it from making mistake, because you already made mistake with it and you learn from it. So that's why mistake can help us learn English language. But the thing is that you don't have to feel fear. You don't have to feel ashamed about your mistake. If you feel fear, if you feel ashamed, and it could be make yourself uninspired. So don't do that. Just going forward. Just keep learning and making mistake and try to learn the right things every single day. This is the key to success in language learning. It's not only for English, but also for any language that you want to learn. So thank you for watching this video. That was all about in my video today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, and of course share this video with those who are wanted to learn English. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.